Type TSO for batch modules. Enter user ID, IBM user, password SOF1. Okay. So in this screen you can see last login date and today's date also. After getting ISPF 3 stars, click on enter. Then you can see ISPF tool. So type here 3, this for utilities. Next 2 for datasets. So to create the datasets, type A means allocate new dataset. So type here your dataset name. So my dataset name is like vj.ps. Not vj. That's ps. So ps parameters is what? Volume, S7, SOS1, tracks, space units, primary quantity and secondary quantity, 20, 20. So PS directory block should be 0 and record format is FB. So PS record length is varying, but I want to access all the 80 columns, so I'm providing 80 into 10, 800. So dataset name is empty for PS. Click on enter. Here you can see dataset allocated. Now create PDS. Again type here A for allocating new dataset. PDS, enter. So volume, serial number, SOS1, space units is tracks, primary quantity and secondary quantity change, and directory block should be non-zero. I'm providing 25 and record format is FB, record length 80, 80 into 10, 800, dataset name type is PDS. Enter, dataset allocated. Next, allocate new dataset for loadlib. So for PS extension is PS, but PDS extension is also PDS, but library extension is loadlib. Okay, no need to change any parameters. So you can change record format is U for library and dataset name type is library. So if you have any doubts in the dataset name type, you can see here library is for library, PDS is for PDS, PS is for blank. Okay, now click on enter. Dataset allocated. Again get back to ISPF tool, press F3. Okay, get back to ISPF tool. So type here 3 utilities for DS list. So here you can type your dataset name, that's the star. Okay, it will star means all. Okay, now try to open the load lib. So no members are in the dataset. Trying to open PDS, no members in datasets. So if there is no member in the dataset, it won't open. So if you try to open PS, it will open. Okay. Why? Because in PS you can write only one member, no? So means only one program we can write it in the PS. So PS will open. So again get back to ISPF. 3 utilities, 4 DS list. Here you can type demo.cobol to copy xcob and xrun. Sorry, xcob and pgm2j for execution and compilation for your programs. You're copying from the system dataset. Okay, in this system dataset, so we have to open with V mode. V means view. Okay, enter. So here in the command line, you can search xcob and pgm2j l space xcob. Enter. So it will find it out. So in the before member name, you can give C to copy. So here you have to provide the two dataset name. Two dataset name. What is the dataset name? Datta.pds. I'm copying to my PDS file. Click on enter. So prompt is copied. Okay. Next, one more member. L space pgm2j. Click on enter. Type C. Copied. It will copy it automatically. Why? Because you already set the location for the copying to dataset name. Press F3, get back to ISPF tool. 3, enter 4, dataset list. So here you can type data star. Enter. Now open with mode PDS. It will open. So for our understandable purpose, we are changing pgm2j to xrun. Give R command to rename. XRUN run. Okay, it is renamed, but I can see only PGM2J. So you can refresh. Okay, now to write a programs, S space member name. My member name is sample1. So this is my program name, member name. Okay, S space member name. Enter. So rows, there are 24 rows. No, I want to clear all these rows. Type RES in the command line and press enter. Rows are deleted. Type COLS to display the columns. Again, if you type COLS means it will disable to enable and disable the columns. So in this starting line, red stars, in any of the star you can give I command to insert the row. Okay, I insert. So in this last, here you can see where uh, like from which column you are in. Okay, so you have to go to 8th column and type the program. Identification. Identification division. Program ID. My program name is sample1. So data division. No need to write. I'm writing just procedure division. So in the procedure division, go to 12th column. Display hello. Stop run. So this is my program. So press F3 to save and get back from the screen. Okay, two actions will be performed if we press F3. Save and exit. So now open with emode xcog. Type bottom to go to last screen. So here you have to give your source lib. So what is my source lib name? This is my source lib name, datta.pds. Datta.pds, comma. Okay, what is my load lib name? Datta.loadlib, comma. Okay, next program name is sample1. Okay, submit. So after getting 3 stars, again click on enter. Maxi 0. Click on enter. Press F3 to go back. Open with emode xrun. Change here loadlib name datta.loadlib. Press delete to delete this. Okay, and your program name sample1. Okay, here you have to give your loadlib name and program name. So type submit in the command line. After 3 star, press enter. Maxi 0. Okay, again press enter. Now press F4 to go to spool area. Okay, now type bottom. So it will go to bottom and open the last job with question mark. Last job with question mark. Open sys out with S. Okay, hello. Okay, in the output I can see hello message. Now press F3 to go back. Okay, so if I make any mistakes, like I have removed the quotations. Okay, so again go to compilation, E bottom, say wrong, bottom, same program name now, directly submit, enter, maxi 8. Okay, to check the error, press enter, press F4, type bottom, so open last job with question mark, open sprint with S, press F8 to scroll. So you can see an error message like an alphabetic letter was not properly continued. Press F11 to see the right side of the screen. Continue the end of the and press F10 for left side of the screen. Literally was assumed, means there is a mistake here. Okay. So by seeing this error message, you can find what is the mistake we have done. So again, get back to your program, press F3, type refresh, open your program with E mode and make the changes. Press insert to change the cursor like this, and again F3, open with E mode, bottom, same program name now, directly you can submit. Okay, maxi 0, not seen no. Maxi 0. Again go to compilation, no execution, submit 0, press F4, bottom, open last job with question mark, open sprint, hello message. Okay, like this we have to practice. So one more member, space sample2. Okay, type res cols I insert. So identification, division, so completed my program, right, addition of two numbers. Now go to Xcode, type bottom. So previously we already changed the source lib and load lib. Now directly you can change the program name, submit. Enter maxi 0, press F3, open Xrun. Here also directly you can change your program name, submit. Maxi 0, press F4, bottom, open last job with question mark, open sprint with S. So I can see my output 10 plus 20 is 30. Okay. So, so here I used to put comma. So add any mistake. Okay. Now open Xcode, bottom. So same program name now submit. So maxi 8. So go to spool, type bottom, open last job, question mark, sprint S. So you can see the error message. So a period was required. A period was assembled before compute. Okay. Compute ముందు ఒక period ఉంటుందని అన్నారు. So open your program and make the changes with period. And now I'm changing the inputs also 20 and 30. Okay. So directly open and submit. Because same programming number is there. X is 0, open X run, submit. X is 0, go to spool, open last job, bottom, question mark, system test, 30 plus 20, 50, right? So this is how to do practice your programs.